Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 457 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, NetCents has partnered with Australian payments app Sosure. Binance's Swipe has launched the LendFi Visa card. Chainalysis is expanding in APAC, and NetCoins has applied for a significant securities registration. But just before we dive into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com, such as the Cannabis Podcast, as well as the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, both of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so NetCents Technology Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol NC, has partnered with Australian payment app Sosure. This will add cryptocurrency as a payment option to the Sosure platform, which currently averages 500,000 transactions a month, according to the press release. Clayton Moore, the CEO of NetCents, said, quote, "The creation of Bitcoin was spurred by a desire to create transaction processes that streamlined electronic commerce. We at NetCents haven't lost sight of that goal. Sosure has taken this a step further by incentivizing consumer behavior through rewards. We believe that the best way to accelerate the adoption of cryptocurrency as a transactional medium is to reward users for using cryptocurrency to close out a transaction instead of using fiat currency. We are looking forward to working with Sosure as we are contemplating deploying our own rewards mechanisms to give users a financial benefit for choosing to use their crypto for purchases." End quote. Crypto debit card provider Swipe, which is owned by crypto exchange giant Binance, is launching the LendFi Visa card, a crypto Visa card that allows users to borrow funds using blockchain technology. That's according to a report from Cointelegraph. This card pairs with the corresponding LendFi app, described as a decentralized lending platform that is connected with the borrower through their mobile device. Crypto analytics company Chainalysis has announced an expansion into the Asia-Pacific region with the opening of 2 new offices in Tokyo and Singapore. Jason Bonds, the chief revenue officer of Chainalysis, explained, quote, "Investing in our services across Asia-Pacific could not happen at a better time. Cryptocurrency adoption, stablecoins in particular, is skyrocketing, and regulations are rolling out across the region. Now is the time for cryptocurrency businesses and financial institutions to adopt compliance solutions as regulators and law enforcement focus on this emerging asset class." End quote. NetCoins, a subsidiary of Big Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol BIGG, has applied for registration from the British Columbia Securities Commission, or BCSC, and the Canadian Securities Administrators, or CSA, regulatory sandbox in an effort to secure approval to operate the first regulated open-loop crypto asset trading platform in Canada. NetCoins president Mitchell Demeter said, quote, "There have been numerous high-profile failures of Canadian crypto asset trading platforms in the past 2 years, costing investors hundreds of millions of their hard-earned dollars and shaking consumer confidence. A lack of oversight has created instability in the industry, and we believe this instability is slowing consumer adoption of cryptocurrency. Hence, we at NetCoins see the need for a regulated crypto asset trading platform in Canada that investors and traders can trust. Being owned by a public, audited, and transparent company has given NetCoins the unique ability to bring a safe crypto trading solution to life across Canada." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.